Hi, and welcome back. So let's say I gave you some somewhat arbitrary arrangements of valence electrons, and I wanted you to help me predict a little bit what these elements would look like when they reacted, or what types of different properties they would have, and especially whether they would be a reactive metal or a reactive non-metal or a not so reactive metal or non-metal. Let's see if we can just predict based on some arbitrary quantum numbers. So let's say my valence electrons. So this is going to be the last entry in our electron configuration. So we've already gotten our and let's say we actually had some noble gas configuration, and then our last configuration of electrons was going to be some principal quantum number n, and then S2. Would you think that what type of element would this be, or where would an element with this type of configuration fall on the periodic table? Well, it would fall. Let me scroll down a little bit. It would fall all in this row, right? So all of these elements are going to meet this criteria. They're going to have this configuration. Their valence electrons are going to look like some noble gas, and then we're just going to add on NS2. And these are going to be what? These are going to be not the most reactive metals, but these are still going to be reactive metals. And when these form ions, what charge is the ion going to have when these metals form ions? What charge will they have? Well, they're going to form 2+ cations, right? Because two of their electrons are going to donate 2 of their electrons, and then they're going to have a 2+ charge. So anyway, that is the characteristic that you could expect based on having the final entry in an electron configuration being some principal quantum number n, S2. So anyway, that's enough for this video. I'll see you again soon.